Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Marie. My business, social media handles, website, and YouTube channel are Mareevuitton. In this series, I'm going to give you the short form videos of the most used how-tos in Studio Designer. These videos are the remake of last year's how-to series, but you may have noticed that Studio Designer got a bit of a facelift in 2025. That prompted me to reshoot all these videos to help the new users because the screen is going to look a bit different. Okay, the processes and teachings, my tips and tricks remain the same. But again, I just want to make sure that I reshoot them because of the way that it looks different on screen. Okay, so as always, please leave your feedback and questions in the comment section and be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you found the video useful. Subscribe to stay updated. Now let's dive in. In this video, we're going to go over how to duplicate items, okay? I know a lot of people have reached out regarding cloning and duplicating and copying, so let's talk about it. In this example, I want to just look at this particular wall covering, and in this case, we can now duplicate at the bottom. That used to say clone, then it disappeared, then it went somewhere else. As of right now, this is why I've had to create these videos over, is because it is now here. I don't know how long it's going to be there, but hopefully it's there to stay. So duplicate is the same as cloning. And I'm going to go ahead and clone this item because I want you to see what it looks like on screen. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate the item. You can see, you got to catch that up in the upper corner of the screen. This is the duplicate now. Okay, so if I wanted to change this and just say, just add a different bathroom so we won't get it confused. Add a different room. Okay, and we'll just call it bathroom 5 to keep it simple. Okay, well, of course it is. Let's do bathroom 2. Up 2. Okay, so now we have cloned it. I'm going to save and close, and we're just going to go into okay, so now you can see that we have the original item that or the original item right here, and then the one that we cloned. Okay, so it just cloned it over, made a copy of it. It's the same thing. Okay, and the difference with copy is you can copy from client to client or room. Okay, but it's going to take everything over. Okay, so do that mindfully. I prefer to probably clone, okay, or duplicate, okay. If there's any questions about what I've said, leave them in the comments below. If you get stuck on any part of this, you can also visit our website to book a call. Thanks.